Good morning, family. I'm your natural mystic man, and today I want to introduce you, if you haven't already met this, to another planetary friend. The more friends we meet in nature, the less we'll be likely to destroy nature, such as littering, whatever. This friend is a grape leaf. But actually, the entire grape plant is edible. The grape leaf, the grapes themselves, the seeds inside of the grapes. That's why you want to have seeded grapes. You don't want seedless grapes. The vine and some say the root, all are edible. This plant contains vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, calcium, iron. It fights cholesterol, diabetes, high blood pressure. It's antiviral, which is so important in these times. Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. So if you have any of the itises, gastritis, tonsillitis, arthritis, this is what you're going to need. Grape leaves. So what I like to do is I like to dry the grape leaves and just make a tea out of it. It doesn't taste bad. You don't have to add a whole bunch of sugar. In fact, if you're adding a whole bunch of sugar to any tea, then you are robbing it of its medicinal properties. Anyway, again, this has been your natural mystic man, introducing you or reintroducing you to another one of our planetary friends. Peace and guidance.